Greetings, fellow travelers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're taking you on a journey to the land of kilts, bagpipes, and breathtaking landscapes, Scotland. In this video, we'll be counting down the top 5 places you absolutely must visit when exploring this enchanting country. So, grab your tartan scarf, and let's dive into the beauty of Scotland. Edinburgh. Our adventure begins in the capital city, Edinburgh. With its medieval and neoclassical architecture, Edinburgh Castle towering over the city, and the charming cobbled streets of the Royal Mile, Edinburgh is a perfect blend of history and modernity. Don't forget to hike up Arthur's Seat for panoramic views of the city. It's a sight you won't want to miss. Isle of Skye. Next on our list is the mystical Isle of Skye. Known for its rugged landscapes, dramatic cliffs, and fairy tale-like scenery, Skye is a paradise for nature lovers. The Old Man of Storr, the Quarrying, and the fairy pools are just a few of the breathtaking spots that make Skye a photographer's dream come true. Loch Ness. No trip to Scotland is complete without a visit to the legendary Loch Ness. Apart from the mystery of the Loch Ness Monster, the area offers stunning views, boat tours, and the historic Urquhart Castle. Take a cruise on the loch to enjoy the tranquility of the water and the surrounding Scottish Highlands. Glasgow. Heading to the vibrant city of Glasgow, our next stop is a hub of culture, art, and friendly locals. From the Kelvingrove Art Gallery and Museum to the bustling West End, Glasgow has something for everyone. Make sure to explore the vibrant street art scene and enjoy a night out in one of its lively pubs. The Scottish Highlands. And now, for the crown jewel of Scotland, the Scottish Highlands. This vast, rugged region is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts. From the iconic Glenfinnan Viaduct to the mysterious Glencoe Valley, the Highlands offer a timeless and breathtaking experience. Take a road trip along the North Coast 500 for an unforgettable journey through some of the most stunning landscapes on Earth. There you have it, our top 5 must-visit places in Scotland. Whether you're captivated by the historic charm of Edinburgh, the mystical beauty of the Isle of Skye, the legendary Loch Ness, the cultural richness of Glasgow, or the awe-inspiring landscapes of the Scottish Highlands, Scotland has it all. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more travel content, and let us know in the comments which Scottish destination is at the top of your bucket list.